Welcome. If you've been using Telegram on your PC and noticed those fun animated stickers, but they're not working on your app, don't worry. There's a quick setting you just need to turn on. Let's walk through it together step by step. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu. Click on those lines to open it up. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram works for you. Now inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you see the option called Battery and Animations. Go ahead and click on that. This section controls how animations behave, especially if you want to save system resources or enjoy full visual effects. Here's the important part. Look for the option labeled Animated Stickers. If it's turned off, your stickers will appear static instead of animated. Simply toggle this option on to enable it. After turning it on, don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes. This step makes sure your new setting is actually activated.